It just occurred to me also, maybe you need to add a category in here that you don't see and you want to use. So we can go over here to configuration, categories, and this is a list of all of your categories. In here you can remove categories, so I could go in here, I could press edit, I could change this to either inactive or archive. If you do that though, and it's used on the front end, you might, disable its ability. So I always just double check, and most of them we know, like Dining Yard American, we know where that's used. And if you need to make a new one, you can just go create, and you put in your description, Jenny's category. You can put it under a parent, so maybe this is something may do with archery, and put it under there. If you don't put it under there, it will become a main level category. You can decide whether or not to use it in the Map Explorer, which you guys have disabled, so this check button doesn't matter to you. And then of course it would be active if I was just creating it. So I'll go back here.